Yesterday, I spoke with Governor DeSantis for some time. My team has been in constant contact with him from the very beginning. And the mayors of Tampa, St. Pete, and Clearwater. And my message has been absolutely clear, is that we are on the alert and in action. We've approved every request Florida has made for temporary assistance, emergency assistance, long-term assistance that I've received. We discussed what we've done to prepare for the hurricane. That includes dispatching hundreds of FEMA personnel and activating thousands of National Guard members. I've also developed a search and rescue team and deployed them to multiple federal agencies, and they're already on the ground and ready to help as we speak. FEMA prepositioned literally millions of liters of water, millions of meals, and hundreds of generators. We have scheduled everything we can possibly do, we think, and so do the mayors and governor, that we've had put up shelters, they're ready. We're not sure exactly where it's going to hit, but it's getting pretty clear exactly where it's going to hit. I made it clear to the governor and the mayors that the federal government is ready to help in every single way possible. Now, I want to repeat what I said yesterday to the people of Florida. This storm is incredibly dangerous, to state the obvious. It's life-threatening. You should obey all warnings and directions from emergency officials. Don't take anything for granted. Use their judgment, not yours. Evacuate when ordered. Be prepared. Storm warnings are real. The evacuation notices are real. The danger is real. And when the storm passes, the federal government's going to be there to help you recover. We'll be there to help you clean up and rebuild, to help you get Florida get moving again. And we'll be there at every step of the way. That's my absolute commitment to the people of the state of Florida.